To create a new topic page directly in Brightspace with the same theme, font size, and color as other topic pages in this template, click Upload Create and select Create a File. Enter a title, for example, Other Internet Resources, and click Browse for a template file in the Manage Files area of your course site. Click Week 1 folder and click in the box next to Course Notes Template File and click Add. The content of the Course Notes template page appears. Edit the heading on this page, enter your text, and then click Save and Close when done. This page is now added to the Week 1 module and renamed to Other Internet Resources in the Manage Files area without overwriting the Course Notes template file. To verify, click Course Admin, click Manage Files under Site Resources, click Week 1 folder, and both files are visible. Actually, you can pick any file to use as a template in the Manage Files area. However, for your convenience, 2 template pages are added in each module.